Bring the timeless charm of homemade popcorn into your kitchen with the vintage traditional popcorn maker H178. Designed with a classic hand-cranked mechanism and built from premium 304 stainless steel, this compact popcorn maker combines old-fashioned craftsmanship with modern durability. Whether you're preparing a healthy movie night snack, entertaining family and friends, or looking for a unique kitchen accessory, this manual popcorn maker delivers fresh, delicious popcorn in just minutes without relying on electricity. Its elegant vintage-inspired design adds character to any kitchen countertop while providing a fun and interactive cooking experience. Unlike electric popcorn machines, the H178 allows you to enjoy complete control over the popping process. Simply add your favorite popcorn kernels, turn the ergonomic hand crank, and watch as fluffy, perfectly popped popcorn fills the chamber. The manual stirring system helps distribute heat evenly, reducing burnt kernels and improving popping efficiency. Perfect for homes, apartments, camping trips, RV adventures, outdoor gatherings, and small parties. This compact popcorn maker is easy to carry, simple to operate, and effortless to clean. Whether you prefer classic butter popcorn, caramel popcorn, cheese-flavored popcorn, or spicy gourmet recipes, this versatile machine helps you create fresh snacks exactly the way you like them. Classic vintage design inspired by traditional popcorn makers, the H178 combines nostalgic style with practical functionality. Its polished stainless steel finish and vintage appearance make it more than just a kitchen appliance. It becomes a decorative centerpiece that complements modern, farmhouse, rustic, and classic kitchen decor. The compact size makes storage easy while maintaining enough capacity to prepare fresh popcorn for individuals, couples, or small families. Premium 304 stainless steel construction crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this popcorn maker is designed for long-lasting performance and safe food preparation. Benefits include rust-resistant construction, corrosion-resistant surface, food-safe materials, excellent heat distribution, durable for years of everyday use, easy to clean after use, resistant to staining and odors unlike plastic popcorn makers. Stainless steel maintains its appearance and structural integrity, even after repeated heating and cleaning. Hand-cranked operation. One of the standout features of this popcorn maker is its traditional manual hand crank. The hand crank stirring mechanism continuously rotates the kernels during heating, allowing even heat distribution, fewer burnt kernels, better popping performance, consistent popcorn texture, more enjoyable cooking experience. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy for both adults and older children to participate in the popcorn making process. No electricity required. Forget power cords, batteries, or electrical outlets. This manual popcorn maker works without electricity, making it ideal for camping, outdoor cooking, RV travel, picnics, emergency food preparation, cabins, backyard gatherings, off-grid living. Simply place it over a compatible heat source and start turning the crank. Healthy homemade popcorn. Preparing popcorn at home allows complete control over ingredients. You can choose organic popcorn kernels, coconut oil, olive oil, butter, avocado oil, vegan seasonings, low-salt recipes, sugar-free flavoring, gourmet spices. Because you're making it yourself, you avoid unnecessary preservatives, artificial flavors, and excessive sodium often found in pre-packaged microwave popcorn. Perfect for movie nights. Nothing completes movie night better than freshly popped popcorn. The H178 helps create warm, fluffy popcorn that tastes just like theater popcorn, but with ingredients you control. Ideal for family movie nights, kids parties, birthday celebrations, date nights, sleepovers, holiday gatherings, game nights, weekend snacks. Fresh popcorn is always more flavorful and aromatic than pre-packaged alternatives. Compact and space-saving. Designed for modern homes, the popcorn maker occupies very little counter space. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for small kitchens, apartments, dorm rooms, tiny homes, RV kitchens, office, break rooms, vacation cabins. When not in use, it stores conveniently inside cabinets or on shelves. Easy to use. Making popcorn has never been easier. Step 1. Add popcorn kernels. Step 2. Pour in a small amount of cooking oil if desired. Step 3. Place the popcorn maker over a suitable heat source. Step 4. Turn the hand crank continuously. Step 5. Listen as kernels begin popping. Step 6. Remove from heat once popping slows. Step 7. Season and enjoy. No complicated controls or electronic settings are required. Easy to clean. Cleaning takes only a few minutes. The stainless steel interior helps prevent food from sticking and can be wiped clean with warm water and mild soap. Maintenance tips. Wash after each use. Dry thoroughly. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Store in a dry place with proper care. The popcorn maker will remain beautiful and functional for years. Great gift idea. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The vintage traditional popcorn maker H178 makes an excellent present for home cooks, movie lovers, college students, newlyweds, parents, grandparents, kitchen enthusiasts, campers, outdoor adventurers, housewarming celebrations, Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries. Its timeless design appeals to all ages. Versatile snack maker. Experiment with a variety of delicious popcorn flavors. Popular choices include butter popcorn, caramel popcorn, cheese popcorn, chocolate drizzle popcorn, garlic herb popcorn, ranch popcorn, BBQ popcorn, chili lime popcorn, cinnamon sugar popcorn, kettle corn, parmesan popcorn, truffle popcorn. Create endless snack combinations for every occasion. Durable for everyday use thanks to its sturdy stainless steel construction and reliable manual mechanism. This popcorn maker is built to withstand frequent use. It offers strong metal body, reliable hand crank, stable performance, long service life, minimal maintenance, consistent results. Whether you prepare popcorn once a week or every day, the H178 is designed to keep up. Product highlights: premium 304 food-grade stainless steel construction, vintage-inspired traditional design, manual hand-cranked stirring mechanism, no electricity required, compact and portable, healthy. Homemade popcorn in minutes, even heat distribution, fewer unpopped kernels, easy operation, simple cleaning, durable and rust-resistant, suitable for indoor and outdoor use, perfect for movie nights, parties, camping, and family gatherings. Elegant countertop display, long-lasting performance. Why choose the vintage traditional popcorn maker H178? The vintage traditional popcorn maker H178 offers the perfect combination of nostalgic charm, reliable craftsmanship, and practical performance. Its hand-cranked operation provides an engaging cooking experience, while the premium 304 stainless steel construction ensures durability, hygiene, and excellent heat distribution. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's an ideal choice for anyone who loves fresh, homemade popcorn without the need for electricity. Whether you're enjoying a cozy night at home, hosting guests, or heading outdoors, this popcorn maker delivers delicious results with timeless style.